Today, I'm going to help your child learn their first song on piano. Ready? Hi, I'm Miss Emily with EBN Music, and I'm a piano and voice teacher and a mom. And I help parents like you bring music into their kids' lives in a fun, joyful, and creative way. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through a super easy Christmas song that your kids will be able to play today. And it's perfect for young beginners. They don't need any experience to play this song. This is the song we're going to try today. It's from my new book that's going on sale at the end of July 2025. It's called My First Piano Christmas Songs. We're going to do the classic Oh Christmas Tree, perfect for Christmas in July, and it's from this book, and it's a very easy song. We're going to learn just the very beginning of it to get you a taste of what the song's going to be like. All right, this song is actually going to use both of our hands, but don't be scared. It's going to be so easy. We're going to start with our right hand. Have your child put their thumb on middle C. So find the two black keys in the center of the piano and the first white key to the left, that is C. So their thumb rests on C, C, D, E, F, and G. We'll try to keep that rounded hand shape. If your child does not have the rounded hand shape, no worries about that. All right, let's put the left hand in its position. So here, I like to call this position next door neighbors because your thumbs are right next door to each other. This thumb is on B and this thumb is on C. And each finger has its own number. So remember, our thumb is number 1. So whenever I say number 1, that means you're going to play the thumb. Number 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I'm going to start with playing all the way through the beginning, but don't worry, I'll go back and slow it down. But here, just so you can hear what the whole thing sounds like. There you go. That's all we're going to learn today, the first part of that song. Notice it repeats, so it's just one part that repeats. All right, so if you notice, we actually started on one of the notes in our left hand. We started on our G. That's our number 3 finger. 3, 1. Then it's our right hand 1. So it's left hand 3, right hand 1. 3, 1, 3, 1. All right, so then now 3, 1, 1, 1. You just want to play that 1 3 times. Now go to D. Now do E 3 times. Actually, E is 4 times. All right, so let's try that again, starting on our G. All right, so now the next part is lovely R, thy branches. Start with your number 2 finger on the D. You're using 2, 3, 4. Nice. Okay, so lovely R. Nice. Okay, we're almost done. Now we need your or thy, depending on what version you have. Your branches. All right, so the your was with our left hand thumb, our 1 finger. Then it's our right hand 2 finger. And then we land on C. So let's start on lovely R on that D with our 2 finger. All right, nice and slowly, part by part, section by section, the first part. All right, now the second section. And now you repeat it. Remember, remember, this should be fun. So if your kids are struggling with it, or I'm going too fast, or they feel like they're missing a note, just come back and try again later. We want it to be fun. And this way of learning, it helps them learn from a real teacher, a real person, and you can actually see hands on the keys, and I slow it down a lot so they understand what they're playing, and they're not just copying notes that are lighting up on the screen. So this is a lot more involved way of learning, but I think it helps them overall. All right, before we leave, if you're brave, I want you to play along with me. I'm gonna go really slow, and if you mess up, don't worry, we're just gonna keep going. All right, so let's give it a shot. Here we go, let's try it together. Start on your G. 1, 2, 3. Let's go even slower. Once you've tried this song with your kids, I want you to celebrate it. I want you to have fun, and even if they just played the first 3 notes, the first note got their hand position in the right spot, be sure to celebrate that and be excited. You're making music. Here's a bonus tip for you while your child is learning that. Once they've learned it fairly well, if you have jingle bells, any kind of percussion instrument, play along with them, have some fun. Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree. You can play the instrument and sing along with them. It's not just about learning the notes and learning the keys, it's just about having fun and enjoying music. If you love Christmas songs, do me a favor and go to my website, ebnmusic.com/books, and I want you to pre-order the Christmas book that's coming out on July 29th, 2025. You will get it at the best price, and you'll be one of the first ones to get the book. These also make great gifts for somebody who's starting piano maybe in the new year or around Christmas time, and anyone who just loves Christmas songs, any young beginner is perfect for. Be sure to follow me on all of my socials. I am EBN Music everywhere. Instagram, it's ebn.music. And be sure to like this video and subscribe to me, EBN Music with Emily Norris, for more videos just like this. I hope you have a wonderful Christmas in July and come back next week for another video. I'll see you next time. Bye.